Abaana ba Maama Jole Mugisha baina Akaama.
So the way you are Maharawa Jole Mugisha nishwewa ubaye ntukamo kandi omushijo wanje nibamweta Mr. Armstrong Azimire. He's the Director, Membership and Branch Development at Uganda Red Cross. So abakwenda kujoininga nano kulete shakamu. So ebyanje nasiba nimshongoro mwobwa. Okay, first of all I'll say my speech both in English and in Runyankole, and maybe slotting some a little bit Swahili that I've learned. So ekyokubanza nyenda kubebaza mwena okwija twatiraho kandi kubanyitwe ahizoreri. Kandi ninyebazana kama kuhereza izuba runja abo kuba n'enjura yatuyamba omushana gw'abakali abamwa b'ekyanje ky'ekiyingwa nanyo niswetinga. So ninyebaza hano. So speech yanje niza kutandika ndikugaruka mu
abo bebana b'omugenzi
kyokubanza ekitero C5 sa ekiwabuuza wabuuza why is there a lot of idleness now? It's because the old have refused to retire. Hadikotuze
oli ku mapu media
yanje alubamu wanje nomanya I've been living in Kenya for the last 8 years, and you get to see what Uganda could be, because you know when you talk to people who are older, people who were around during colonial and post-colonial times, they know that at one point Uganda was better than Kenya. But I can tell you that every time the plane is touching down in Ethiopia, I'm like, I'm back here. So I'm a real expatriate who complains as soon as I'm in Uganda. Everything here is a mess. So echikomata kugamba n'okujangu abagana nibajangu agali wamuge. So when I talk now from Mugisha General Akabajaha or Auntie Nana President with Principal Akabajaha, I suggest you do it the Azimio way. Mukwata ganse because agali wamu. So hatia nazaga ka speech yanje yenine ina nenda gamba mamu wanje. Mwene mamu wanje ninyebaza mwena abo ababireho ababire nawe kandi abatura nawe omumagarageye. Her siblings nomanya we na munonga akaba ine brothers beye Mr. Mumza na Reverend Rugundo baturi musketeers. So Nana sisters they were quite close to her. I thank you for being a part of her family or of her close people. I thank her friends. I thank Madam Betty Kasimba, who was former permanent secretary at the Ministry of Finance. That is her friend from campus. You know, if you're able to keep friends that you've had for 40 years, that is amazing. Even Mrs. Dr. Maria Biekwas, who has just been here, she's a friend from campus, a roommate. So I thank all those people who have always stood with her. Kande chindi, nyenda no kwebaza abantu ba Chemporogoma okuguma nawe kandi okumwachira, because nyowe ishe itwe afire emyaka 35. But as you can see, my mother recently opened a road here herself, no one else. So she has always been with the people of this area, and they have always been with her. So ningebaza abataka bakunuya abanza, I thank you so much. Kandi nyongeraho ningebaza abashaho abo muri University Hospital Yambarara Regional Referral. Kandi na munonga, going back to politics, ningebaza the resident doctors ababa bakujerega bakajangu intern doctors and student doctors amukoreba burikashana batera mubane bashabe said I have done that myself. I have also ever been there following about the money that they deserve, because orukole mirumo omuyigwaro ebya government ti professor, ti orio mukolo wa shomero wa hezoja oja payroll ya permanent and pensionable. It is the intern doctors, it is the medical students, it is the residents who are studying to become specialists. So mwaba leba street, mutaka abajelega mukateka what million gokugashi. They are trying to fight for you. Kandi ni kugamba personally, I have been in their shoes. No manya kuboja hono kwa road round, ono leba barwire. Leru abajanja bibigure nyama yao bani baza kugarantisha leka kwita. Because water in Lady Orkumanya today I have 5,000. I have to decide whether I should put fuel in my car so that I can be able to go for night call or have lunch. So you know that dilemma. So na beshengereza mukwatagantena government erazeho and you respect the young because the future belongs to the young. Hati awundo abana mnanyenda kwebaza ninyebaza abantu ba NUP although president wiki yajangu ntaka mwebaza instead when ayebaza mami konkani mwenyimbebaza abokuba mumukamuhereza chance eriya yenyine yatura naenda kugira yaba ouyabe naenda kuba. Most people don't know the history, but my mother joined politics in 1992 immediately after her husband died. She was 30. So she joined politics against winning the elections. And that wasn't the only time that she has ever been won in these elections because she joined and served NRM and was even Women's League chairperson of Mbarara for many years. Yazayo Ponka barua kumhereza platform ina benaronda kurwanirira abanya-Uganda. So yabaza yahabaya sewa orange wakawa yabechi wandi bonini nukwe kurgayo hati akaba red. So I thank you, the Red Party. I thank you. I thank you for giving my mother the platform to be and achieve and become who she was meant to be. Because I know she was happy. And it's younger kana good, kana happy na good. So now I'm sorry, I'm talking a lot. So I sharpened my mouth. So now I'll just briefly talk about my own personal friends. I would like to thank the Boma class that finished in 1999 that I was a part of. The OGs of Mary Hill, class of 2003, I recognize you. Medical school class of Makerere University 2012, I recognize you. I also recognize my Gayaza High School OGs. I know you're with me, and also the surgeons of Uganda that I studied with, because I am a surgeon by profession, Young Baji. So I recognize you as well. So Hatia, Mugisha Bakubye Bobi. So first of all, my t-shirt is your mother at all. That was not a lie. Mother Korere Ebrahim and a coffee had all side the way and show Mama and Lisha and show Mom. To us, she was Mom. And to everyone else, most of it, especially the Loop team, she was Mama. So she has been a mother at all. Me growing up, our house was full. You hear people keep saying, oh, Akazarabashatu or whatever. No, we are many. We are very many. There are some people who are not here. Karema, Henry Jade, we are many. Nawasa, Sharon, we are very many. So our house was always full, and sharing, generosity is in our spirit, because you could not sleep alone. That one was not there. There were people, and our house was small. So, okay, not small by those standards, it was big, but when you think about it, you will have like around maybe 10 children around, and it's a 2-bedroom house. So there are quite a number of people in there. So, Kande Kayitu, Eketura, and openly, nowhere there are dignitaries who have slept at my home. Even Kanotito Westi has ever come and passed by. I can tell you for a fact. Even General has ever passed by. I remember he helped to remove. I never ever take Ishomero. Our neighbors, Akasharamuni, are renting out to a random school. So they called him and he came and he chased them. That time he was the minister of education. So our home has always been open. You know, you open the gate and there are women who are coming to talk about their problems, for her to help them. So our home has always been open and it will stay open. Kandi ebyo byona akakola because she was a loving person. Nani akaine rukundo nyingi nabaire mwana nabaire batareciprocating rukundo yeye no like the rest of NRM. She will love you by force. She loves you, she insists, but you know when it's up to you, you refuse her. And she was forgiving. She was forgiving. No matter what, she was my best friend. If any of my friends told me a secret, I would tell them, you know I'm going to share with my mother. So she was my friend. We go everywhere, we go together, we go on holiday. So I really thank her for having been my friend. Kandi nyoko muteli mwejeho. Echi mwejeho echa resilience and never giving up. Now here's over this history. Mom has never given up and she will never give up. So no way. I never give up. People tell me I am too, what's the word? Too energetic. You know, the doctor wants to kumbuza.
Oli ku Mapumedia TV enkuba yo mpitirivu. Tuyambe leme kutta byuma.
So, they are never giving up. I thank her for giving back to me. Kande chamu heru. The chingachi is always stand out. Never be ordinary. Mediocrity is not an option. So, maybe for those lessons, there are so many who could talk the whole day, but thank you for giving me the platform to honor my mother, and I thank God for giving me the strength to be able to say them. All protocol observed. Amazina arimo Mugisha Bakubye no mwamu wange bamwetasa Mwanga Bayiro. Ebindi babugamba nzagamba about my mother. Like I've said, mamu witu akarumanyi w'abantu bona. Nowe kuluganya yetegereza alina kanchi tula nawe onko wita abantu bakabatahoyeko kuba abagambira. People would come, then you get off the beds, abajeni bamyama. She would make sure abajeni are comfortable. Emere mwamutekere, kukale mwamutekere nche abajeni bo babanze barye, imenza kwesotinga bwanyuma. Akanyegeza ng'omuntu atarisha omuka yawe akagamba atinde kyalire nangwa okuhereza watermelon nanenanasi fruits nita waterine omwaliis. It's a blessing. Mami akazaala abaana bingi akaba abiraine ebikunto nyingi muno. Buli omu benayisha omuka oba mwineho akakwate oba tamwineho kakwate abe namwakire. Political career yeye eyabandisira NRM ekaba nenyisya because abakazi baberisha witu mukaba mwiguru bica 12 mushanga getina baro nibendagamba ebizibu byabo konka byabaye simba babura kumuha akaruru kandi niwe yababa yambe ebizibu byabo babura kuza kubiya oliyo bayinda akaruru. Then I would be wondering, but she never minded about that. So, all I can say is, thank you so much for what you have taught me. I've learned a lot from you, and I will continue to do what you have taught me. May your soul rest in peace.
Protocol observed.
Oli ku Mapumedia TV enkuba mpitirivu.
Nayobu akanshanga arukusherwa hakanshanga kutora ya yakuru na shokuru kandi ukureberwa Dr. Omugenzi. So mani omugezi kuyafiire mani uzatekiba ahabwa rukundo ebyabera yine ahabwa rukundo ebyabera yine nokana akuziremu kukolera byatari kandi omusekenge nanyiwe namukwasa kurora abaana abo abyasirwa jaja yandika yangati ati inyengo kubomuka yamugisha murebera abaana aba abana barigemu abokuba mani no akali omukazi w'obwenge bwingi muno kuko abaana bagamba akatwara abaana bingi kandi obw'omushaara gwe
nekamala okugamba wano abantu bange ani angulirayo wano ku ambulera tulinawo wano ambulera angulirayo ambulera kubanga saatambudde na ambulera za Nuupu gyenjagala ya mitwalo 5 azirina sooka ongiweemukko kubanga tezisobola kuva wano nga sirina ambulera naye njagala ya Nuupu ya mitwalo 5 njirina naye saatambudde nayo. Olabye otya wamma ginsigemu wamma nkole omulimu. Enamba yange yeeyo eri ku screen kwennyini 0772653186 0772653186 weeziri wano waliwo abazitunda mitwalo 5 ambulera.
twetwala kuza kuvuga emotoka omunanga takagivugaga omukishikira akatembo yaturemba kwata emotoka norango akayinama. Ekyakabiri nenda kumugambaho integrity nkoku honorable His Excellency yakigambaho n'omuntu atakubasa kujangatasa kandi atakajangataganisahoga because integrity kimwe kyamwe akakora emirimo mingi omugenda nayo yabakora emirimo mingi konka izooba rumwe bija bamweta
famire y'omugenzi famire abo be bana ba maama
kajja polisi ne bamuha empango mani yazayo tiyashireye omushira yebeshitete byagateshe okukobora yo kujya mu rugo.
Ambulera ya mitwalo 5 njagala ya Nuupu nsaba si njagala nsaba ayina wekyetaana wekizike akimpe nguleyo wano ambulera ya Nuupu essaawa zino nsobole okutalaaga naye sirina bwe ntalaaga ebyuma byaffe bifa.
Abaana bange bahinze okusoma akambuza tipadente natende sente zikumara nte sente ziri ataba mwena tumwine mirimo temirimo tijindi kuba tono kutulya atina tine degree kandi okuruga omukono yamani mutero mungalo yangira ati aba NRM bagambire ngo bagende ne sente zaabo abokuba abaana binyine nibebaasa
ndaba wano gwe mwebaza nti 50k thanks ani gwe mwebaza nze nga tannazimba baana mmwe mubadde ki
politics nyenda kusiima NUP ningira ngu mani abirarya self-actualization n'omuntu kugira ngo hati tokine ky'orukwenda kolekano yende
ambulera ngifunye kindly please thank you very much
mani
ambulera ngifunye
NUP
thank you very much bangulira ambulera
abantu abo mu ngalo
bananga
abadde
bakyasonda abadde basuubira okumpa ambulera bamaze ogigula eyo topic tugiveeko tudde mu kkungubaga. Thank you very much, may God bless you. Nesitegedde azimpadde
nimwaze tutubikirize twakora emikoro yabo nk'uko abantu bagenda kugira ngo umukama mani bamuhe ekitiinisa ekimushemerire. Mwebare munonga ba NUP tikuja kubahimukaho so mani otwegise bingi watwegesa okuba amazima, watwegesa okugira integrity mwine emirimo yawe gyerize. Mukama akuhe ekiwumuro kirungi.
Thank you, Daniel. Protocol serve. Greetings to you all. My name is Natharita. Mani think manya hope tanchira na hope heres. Konke ebinji muhurire kwiha na tugenda ho byona emuhurire nibyo ebyakwire nakora, kandi she has achieved what she wanted in life. Me, I'm here to celebrate her life. And more to that, I want to thank my siblings, Jacob, Bennett, Philippa, Banana, you people. Thank you so much for not, betraying Mommy, for coming out as she wanted us to be. I don't have much to say. I work with Kampala Preparatory School in Kitebi as procurement officer. I got married in the north. I have a husband, one Dr. Odongsoni. He just arrived a while ago. I don't know where he's seated, but yeah. Me, nyewe nkeshanga ndio mikono ya mami niwe na atile nimanya. My story is, you think my dada, think my mother. She has been my sister, she has been my friend, she has been my mother, she has been my father, she has been my everything. Ahuna chile pura, echulunji kashangani musha. So I feel good about it. So I want to be on when I be like Yomuzido to take care of myself. When I was, I think, 8, 10 there, she would travel to Kampala for conferences. She would leave me with these little fellows here. And, would cook, eat, clean the house. She comes back, she finds us in good health. So she taught me a lot, I've learned a lot from her. So with all that, we have so rest of peace.
Thank you, Rita. Eligenda ntanje kushaba. Elibire ntuatakwara. Nowadays, I want to start off with a small prayer that I've found so dear to me of late. In the right way, when you must take a message will be God. Dear God, grant me the strength to accept the things that I can't change. And grant me the serenity to accept the things that I can't change. Grant me the wisdom to know the difference between the things that I can change and the things that I can't change. Can you strengthen the apostle speech? For those of you, of course, all protocol observed. Mekanisa mwebali. Thank you so much. Government leaders, nimana lewoku konka haliyo government leaders. Nanoku haliyo government leaders. So thank you so much. General, echitini sawa chiteleza na kusimba. President.
Abaana banno ambulera yino ambulera emaze okutuuka kati enkuba ne bweddamu mwagireeba ambulera za Nuupu Thank you very much. Hebangulidde Ambulera. Oseka.
Musinguzi nchumanyisa through you God is the one.
Bajikuzenza abantu.
So
Abaana banno.
all protocol observed nza kubashana tumunchizi nze ndo misho respecting ansase. My family
Mampo media balabye.
My friends of course.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
Ababiri batwine aha Wednesday. And with 4 noble truths. That's what we kwikiriza kubera umunseji. Nenza kugeza kuzigaruka kwa nikimanya bamwe bari batwine. Konkaniza kushikora umusamari. Noble truth yo kubanza is that life is suffering. And then why it is suffering because we are suffering. Noble truth number 2 is the cause of suffering. Attachment, desire, loss, unexpected outcomes in care. Noble truth is attached to the cessation of suffering. How do you stop to suffer? What do you do? I'm sure he did much money. And noble truth number 4 is the middle way, which is actually the path to the cessation of suffering. And I will leave all of you to read and learn it the same way I have. Philosopher, Alan Watts, and all of those people, but they won't go into that. So now they change the result. The 4 noble truths. So, Timbuchira kweyanjura. Akwaba bagamba ngu Mommy taught us something called humility. So it is over niza kweyanjura. Konka mwena mutitu enshoni. Nyowe, I am a scientist. What do I mean? The biochemist, the immunologist. Bishop Sheldon, personal relationship the things that I've just told you now. I'm a biochemist, I'm an immunologist. On top of that, Norway, on Western Uganda, Burumuntu weno ukuleba na kwa bazigwa HIV/AIDS na mamanganji. Aba bantu nibasa kubaganga n'abantu 8,000. Abantu 8,000 mu Uganda. Ndoshina bagamba nyobiro bwingi. I choose the humble path. Tingiza kwijanga kugamba matabidani. Konka today niza kubaganga. Akuba na mami, I don't think I ever told her any of these things. Akujukina binjoka, bani. And I accepted all my family. That in the ND head of HIV vaccine design of Africa. Mpako design engineer on Apple so that I can be with my mother. There's a capacity building forum to South Africa Medical Research Council and to University Walter Reed project. University Walter Weno Shomere Wahura Walter Reed no teka US President's and US President's office. But President of America, the company look at David Judge. But President of America Wanabura Walter Reed. Watch quarter. On top of that, I am a grant writer. From top of my grants, our many managers grant in one. I write grants to bring money into this country.
Olira abazadde bwe bategeka abaana bonna bawulire eyo family be baana b'omugenzi Mama Jole.
Through the work that I do as a scientist. Ekindi ni businessman omulimba Rome. Mwetu wakumanya business yanja heri akuba money taught me to be humble. Konka I'm a football lover. Abakumanya omupiira bona nomanya business yanja heri. Akuba ntuzana omupiira omugati yambala mpaka kashaha nkamwenda gwecho. Tuyamuro tutera omupiira nambwe bright yalizireyo nibaleta amawondo bazaho baswetinga but tabona side post kumanya kona kika heri but eventually nikuba nekinkumanya Maama ekiwena kimanya at least ekichonka kimworeka so by the way ngode ndikabani reba nkumekiraho omugati yetawoni Mugisha kugamba what I do compared to Mugisha. Ninya head work business development and proposal writing at the Royal Bakubye Regional Referral Hospital. Abantu bono mu Northern Uganda bakugenda mu Regional Referral Hospital. Most likely the centers that are belonging. Ebitongole binkolire University Water Project is answering directly to the US President's office. Konkana President wetu wa Uganda no OB wanje. Kandi wao mwene watimani mukunda. Konkani we niza kwika utakafa. So na ekitonge kyoketa Joint Clinical Research Center na kindi n'ekikora. Na mbweno kumbazo kumukuru ogwa gene editing. Hero na nabagambe binikoresha ekibina kya SAS South African Medical Research Council konkana kirigaho because of what? Ekyatereta Ruhangana arabo very many different ways to catch it. So Antiti ayatanchire yabagambira kintu kyokubwira bwamba mina ngenda bahereze a little bit of my perspective. Akwa yarinda very well. Konkanye nekiyamisinga. Yamisinga kubagambira mukatwara mani omwirwaro yayihayo. Akwa shi fighter. Pakatakatira tekangwarwire. Kananye. Akwa ni chimantin fighter. Amina fighter. Today the jirize jingwarwire munonga. Akwaka mutwaro mwirwara doctors present. Kanyine meeting at 3 p.m. namzati. Bekanjine attending a meeting niza kutoka at 6 p.m. Shayi kumi nechweka yanterera ati nyona azabuta. Ya tero mshana bamwitacha Knowless. Yamwachi namze tubamuka nivuga benzi toreka kishaka kutwara umuka ati nyowa goda yatwire ndiye tuki mukore nyuma yanje ndagahonza za ka business kanje umutawuni abantu batero mpira maranda no sande ni mpumura I sleep ruhanga kanya by self employed na mwe wajezo kunya employed gato kumbasa noza kungambiranyije in the morning kujya mutinkunyito kunga report yawe products zawe nizikoze ruhumwazo which is one of the things that I was about the lessons that my mother taught me. So you know Naruka because anyone who knows me knows I'm a workaholic. I probably don't even have time for you. So you know, but I always had time for my mom. Navyama shama nana nizokunya homo nje anda sanje. Tukunya any other time. cyangwa nakizikire natahuka kutari nshanga yo na ante na umwe umugade arembere shumana kana natira my siblings nabagamba nabanyatwonka kandi ndakayigire kintu cyane kinkoze kambanze shume zerwe kubona because for masaha kutura kugira nabona ubujanja bihe umushaho ayija murebi ni hayo umushaho irija yamureba yamutama icupa z'amizi yamutama embazi mami yantuma fruits ntabwo na watermelon ntabwo na fruit cocktail nashuma rero kubona kwakira fruit cocktail kumba ngaho ndabona ibintu ndambatangura nako rubona aho umukatari ngorano baterera ngo mami yareba mbajya tati ngo bamutira antibiotics kandi biratakurya so amani naremba so ngumza ngo dushopinga ntabwo yantumye ikintu kwikomoka shango mukazarembere akayine out nawe omukintu kiri byabyo kukiriza twakiriza uburyo bubwire turpo kantere kuantere sumya najiranza kandi tinagarike kugikwata nina kushobora wigitaraga kigikwata kandi umwikiriza bamwe igeza kumfara umumotoka kata kagikwata sepansasiri twakiriza mami twamuteka umumotoka twamuvuga twamushyira dr spiregi antibete ibindi bingi yabisamarayizinga konka omugezi story ngenda kwebaza antimiria tiyabasa kubaho konka nyo na Philip tujya imwe no mumutina matembi mu mutina icyo tukumutina nabwina wowe aho kutuma nyitwa hatino utukutina haro bashitabana na rwabungu ahananka atebemwe bukabu y'ubugenyi wa one of my elder brothers no mwita Brian tumwi tubara mukize buhabu aho batabukorera bakarinda ngo abeno yakora ki baramutse abana bahirana bazirenkende no wakuburyo uri no kubanza wije wandamutse na anko nakimanya nabiha nasa tracking ati kumana story yaza kukaniza gumiza so enjole manager tutera nijmawa nano wanje bariko no bashika kokejona tera kokanyoni jeni murena nyivile butsi yo witunimba manya ino mwisha mujire kito yakatoreza eza independence so nandi mune batereza kintu cyane umukade kuko yaruire kuko twamushize mu waro antimiria when my mother was passing away antakaro kandi ubundi shashora counter because aba private bakwikiza gutwara umuntu wawe ninga kugice wakoze utakabagire sente nkana hizo kushashora abakozi banje bubona nanka insigize nk'intwaro nkashati yo kanatera je ko namje ndinsinzi kiri sente abana benda miliyoni imwe n'intwara bigira intwara shati yo the process something happened and it was God's decision. Mami yakwatwa hatataka antimero yaro ankandi bantimya na janaje yugaruka ya ntimanyene no kushasha ubundi yawe still nyenteka nebya antimiri because kuko nabagamba n'umutina iteka she's dramatic. You can imagine Philip wahora ko kwagamba na antimiria. You cannot believe it. Even when you because no one to it. So, nzayo shanga antu bamukora CPR nyenda kwebaza Dr. Kangwaje na timu yeye aba Doctors Plaza akagezaho life is life things are gambe bindi I will just think there. Twarivayo nyamami twamuteko ambulance obwiki nyenda kubagambira kata kwenda kugenda mu ambulance akansha bati bane awe kitakugenda mu motoka yawe namujja tukonka ambulance kanakishofurire tuleka tukagenda mu ambulance tuleka ananka ICU ambulance kagenda mu nyongo nyamunegere wenka na mami naba aba emergency team. I didn't get a hug until my brother came. So Yakobo, thank you. Ebyabamizi byonna sinema mubikendeezaaho nze aha kintu ekibakweta things that my mother taught me. Ekyokubanza actually ekyo nza kukitambulira ekyokubanza akanyigiza hard work. Omuntu weena olukumanya mami n'amangu n'omukozi kandi omuntu weena olukumanya abaana be ninga omuntu ora associated with them n'amangu abantu abo n'abakozi. We work hard. Even though it might go unappreciated, we don't care. We still work hard because we work for ourselves. Kandi ekyo nkirikanga mami. Number 2. Ebintu mwamulumule mugamba kandi mumanye ekintu kya integrity. Mami taught us all to be very, very upright. Wakulemu mujaba abantu bona wabuuza muhino lire enguzi ninga hino ngo bakozile business deal yakola y'omukishaka ninga ya no. Now when my friends or anyone who knows and does business with me, now I have very little patience for. Now I want to get organizing around Mango, I have very little patience. Mami akatugisha ikintu kya service before self. Janet yabagambire ba anti-million kozi ba John Kazora office of the prime minister bayibona bakabona bakabasiba omuka. Ito twimuko bitanga byitu tubahereza aho kugira. Mareju Grace de Samoya mutabano wa anti-million kunkana kimanya and one mwedano mubuza would get up from our beds and give people a place to stay. Even though twena buli mwaka ine kitanda kyaine room ye kukatukatuka tubikiza bisha babona ubanza. Mami akanyigisa ekintu kya life work balance. You can work so hard, but it doesn't mean you give up everything else. Nyowe abakumanya mubango ni nkora mnonga kunkanaza kuchikuba na gubi wine tawasa compete. Tunakweta president na kweta hiya ibaza Facebook production abanana wanje na wakimanya kinga kibara koze kitaka kora gaso ibisa nayo narakire yo jaja takumechi nanga, and that's good. Mami akanigisa ikintu kya work life balance. Tukubasa kukora munonga otine kyoyeherize otakumwireho n'abeshengereza. I think a little bit later in her life because akali aspect ya self-actualization, fulfillment. President ukomweta hona huku yendamuuza tumami at this time oli awa nanubuya abanza kusibe nabwo the first time she came akararo wanje kunkatara ngambire ngo nayo wawe she confessed like 6 months later, which that is how me and my mother relate. When someone is doing something sneaky, konka we don't say until much later. We'll go to konka by the way as a penikorechi. So mami akanyesa ekintu kya work life balance, ekindi kibabagambire mu makanyisa resilience. Nyowenka kola Walter Reed project emyaka 6 n'abaletera miliyoni nyingi za dola. Kufa project ya bibi natinye na jhandiki konka bakana washashura shillings $18,000 per year. niwe nukuleta miliyoni nkaga iwe kumpereza mutwaro gumwe n'akanani konkana yanga nagoma nikora ki ninkora nagoma nikora akuwa mami akanyegesa ngu ekintu ekyokukunda guma n'okikora okuba olumu n'okukora n'abaasa butakusiima someone else naza kukusiima mami akanyegesa okuba stubborn omuntu wena olukumanya especially my family I am stubborn kandi tubalambase n'abeshengereza I am stubborn so please don't test my stubbornness kuba nyowe mama akanyegesa ngu stubbornness nikinganisa na conviction fight for what you believe in wano mangu eki kintu kigwire abantu bavuga ngu ori stubborn but it is just a misunderstanding of what you're fighting for. You just talk when you know or you choose them in a way. After going up cool. So you know the movie I was stubborn, but it is just conviction because it's a synonym ya conviction etishiki which synonym mu rujungu kimanitse kigambo kimanitse kindi kigambo. Mami akanyegesa obunwanyi how to be friends with people mwahurira mferiwe kumpikira aha abataka esimu yanjye bajya ngo tiwe mukama wayo nito bakamara esimu bagitwara ahita bagibire bagitwiye mukama w'esimu ayizire yajya akira yagitwara bano bajya ngo hari ubiri esimu y'abandi tore ndije Echonyena mustero mungaro na beshe. Akache na benshi mutakitera mungaro. Torine mu mwana wawe akugurire iPhone. Don't be jealous of me. It is okay. Be a better friend to your friends. Don't be jealous of me. Imagine social capital. Nangwa neri mukuru wanje. Atiteso bakitwara. Nde Nchakari umukashesha shanganyire sumu ato inasume nijo nti ahabwo kubanye mami akanyije so kumwana je ibyaho mu cyaro inshabire iPhone mbaro yateri inshabankai mwana wanje tero mungaro nakweshengereza. You have to clap for friendship. You people are misunderstanding what I'm telling you. Don't be jealous. Remember your friends. Please remember your friends. You may be to leave them one while we munonga koka yishaka chaki ya kwiri. Ikaka chaka ya kwiri kiyushche. Maybe ni urahanga kwa toba kanyoba kwa iPhone. Ekintu kimame kyanyegise no kuba smart. Kandi manza smart mu kujwara ni matsa kuba smart mu mutwe. Akachimpa naturally akuba no yanziri kandi agakamwe yakinyege so mu nkora nabishengereza imwe wasa kuba otarabire like blessed kushanga wazarwa abantu bajya abanyabwenge konka no wasa kugeza kugira icyo wakora on your own volition umujugu kukwa kukigamba on your own volition aha mutuma gwagera kuko wagera ugosobwenge abantu bamwe bakareba narga Kampala abandi bakareba narga Amerika mu bito bw'umwana ka siski konka ubwenge umunata kumecho gukora kandi abinjye nabo batakumecho gukora akora no mu basingo ubwenge kandi mami akanyije so kuba generous kandi ejo niyo foundation ya friendship banwana banja bantwera nabo kujya ngo twakageza aho kutwisaka batwire cyo kurebera abantwera cyo kurebera here for me nimbasa kubagamba story that is so painful to me kuganiza kujibaganda on the weekend when my mother passed away kandi karagomuka. That's the first time I left in Barara. That's at Kanjijo because Survaka is there kwenda tushinde mami kuko nagambiriwe ya stubborn natitaisha n'umwindura rumwe nari umunyawenji yashobora umutransport gaje n'cyakubaho watu so ndikahunchiza nje tunomanya let's go to Kampala zitera Luisi ndatukanje zo kuronda open options zo kuhereza a better service ya healthcare service ako tukareba ICU yes ninuje yambara ku kati y'inungi yakandi kangamba amazi matinungi so nza Kampala only because kanyenda kubona ICU ensya but on top of that
oli ku Map Media TV
caretaker burnout kandi bibire
byebyo owulidde bulungi obubaka bw'abaana aba Maama Joe Mugisha eri President Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Robert Bobi Wine bamusiimye ebirungi byakoledde Maama kuba nti amusobozesezza okubanga ate Maama asobodde okutuukiriza ekyo kyabadde ayagala mu bulamu bwe okulaba nga ate abaako kyakolera eggwanga lye era wadde agenze naye agenze musanyufu nti alina kyakoledde eggwanga Uganda. Kitalo nnyo kitalo ddala kya Maama Joe Mugisha. Mukama tunatusaba muwe ekimuli eky'emirembe kitangala ekyolera kimwakire Maama atubeekere emirembe mweramu.